MurphReviews. My name is Lex, and today we're going to be unboxing the Arctis Nova 7 wireless. Let's get to it.
So this multi-platform premium wireless gaming headset starts out at $180 across the board.
So here we have the orange For Glory anime cartoon style. And then on the back it looks like a little pop-up little thing, Lars or whatever you want to call it. And now to the headphones in this kind of cheap looking coverall, but anyway, the headset itself. Then we get a product information guide, USB-C to USB-A cable, USB-C to USB-A dongle extension, audio cable, and then the dongle itself.
All right, now moving on to the actual headset, what we've all been waiting for. Now, there is an adjustable elastic headband, as you can see, stretches out all right. And it has these three little buttons where you can change the size so it can fit or extend, more like an elastic extend on your head a little bit better. And I'll give you an example. It was set at the very end before, and now after using this a couple of times, I prefer it as close to the cups as possible. So I use the top two on here. And then, so instead of the actual band up here, which is kind of hard, doesn't sit on your head, it kind of extends down and it hangs so that it's not like going very low on your ears like this, but mine's kind of sit up a little bit better. So you have that. We also have these Airweave ear cushions, which actually are pretty comfortable. Very breathable. I don't get hot during gameplays. And I think it was a lot better than the other ones where they were like pleather. You would get sweat rings around your ear. So another thing you can do outside of the elastic band is you can make it extend and retract the headset ear cups, and then you can also pivot them in and out. So when you have it on your neck, you don't have to worry about it hitting your chin the whole time. You can lay them flat and or just a little bit more comfortable that way. Let's talk about the on-ear controls, and we're going to start out with the actual power control. I'm going to bring the dongle in because I have it connected to the PC so far. And what I'm going to do is when I push on the power button, the dongle should light up a little bit brighter when it connects to the actual PC. So I turn that on, it gives a little beep, and now we're a bit brighter. So we are indeed connected. Up above that is the Bluetooth. If you hold a little bit there, now it's in pairing mode. But we're not going to go into that at the moment, so I'm going to turn that off. And it does like 3 delayed lights, and then it just shuts down. Down here is for the chat mix. On this side is the game. If you can kind of see the little game controller there, and this one actually has a chat bubble. And what you do is if you go more to your left, it'll go to the game, more to your right, more chat, and then you can leave it in the middle. It has like a little feel, like a little bump or a notch that you can feel that it's back into the middle. At the very bottom is your power cord port. Then we'll move on to the other side. Here we have the retractable mic. Mic has an LED, which when it's red, it's for the mute. And I'll show you here in a second. If I hit this button over here, see how it's red, and then you click it in and it's flash. Now you're live and the mic is actually live. So if I hit the mute button again, you see it changes red. Live, mute, okay? Then at the very bottom is the minus and plus, and that is for your volume. And then down here at the bottom is the aux port. Another cool thing that I just learned is that these little ear cup things have magnetic clip-on things. So I don't know what accessories you can buy, but they just clip on, and that goes same for the other side. When listening to the headset and you want to have on-ear control, you do a press once, that's play, as you can hear. And if I click it once again, it pauses the music or whatever is on your PC. This is blinking, so this color right here is green. Green on the power bank, meaning that it's between 100 and 50%. When it blinks yellow, it's between 49 to 15%. When it goes to red, it is 14 to 5%. And when it's a fast blinking red, it is 4 to 1% left of the battery. So moving along, we have the multi-device dongle that goes with the Arctis Nova. This one is a little bit different because it doesn't have like a little switcher here, which the Arctis Nova X, which is for the Xbox, will have a little switcher on it. But this is the PC version. It works with the PlayStation, it works with PC, and we're good with that. Moving along, we have the LED, which this will light up, and I'll show you here soon, and then also the pairing button right here. All a little small dongle that connects to this, which makes it into a wireless, and then this also has Bluetooth, which you can do simultaneously, talk on the phone, and actually play in game. But we'll get to that here in a second. So here's the USB-C to USB-A extender. I use this on my computer since I do not have anything that is USB-C compatible. And all you do is plug that in and then plug it into your computer, and then you are connected. Whenever you turn on your headset, it connects right to the PC. So now you have your dongle and you're trying to connect to, let's say, your PlayStation 5. Ideally thinking USB-C to USB-C, I could connect it right to my controller, right? No light indicator, no good. Actually, the way that you have to do it is you have to go to your PlayStation and actually connect it into the PlayStation itself for the headset to connect to it. All right, so now I have the PlayStation up. I'm gonna go ahead and connect the dongle to the actual physical console, and it should show me connecting the headset there. So you take your USB-C dongle and you can connect it straight to the PS5. Now it is physically connected to the console, and now I have audio within the headset. I'm gonna go up to settings, sound. The microphone is showing the Nova 7 through USB headset. Over to the audio output, it shows the Arctis Nova 7 as well. If you go down to the volume, I always put the headphones all the way up to 100 so I can deal with the volume on my headset. I can turn it up and down as I please. Back to the microphone, you can adjust the level. You can unmute it on the headset first or second, and then you just have to unmute it on the actual controller to be able to just speak. Now that I have that there, I'm gonna mute it back because I think I got some feedback. And yeah. So now I'm gonna disconnect my dongle, and it's going to give you the notification that it has been disconnected. And that's it. All right, now I'm going to connect the dongle to the switch docking station. Now that it shows it's connected in the top left corner, I am able to hear what is going on my switch. Now, when I go into settings, I'm not able to really find anything to check on the settings or even if I'm even connected, but I am because I can hear through the headset itself. I can also control the volume on my headset through the volume wheel, which is kind of cool. But as I disconnect it right now, there is no notification showing anything that I have disconnected it or anything in that matter. All right, now I got the switch undocked. I have my dongle. All I gotta do is connect it. As you see in the top right, it's up there. And we're good. I can hear the clicks going left to right, so I'm gonna hop into a Fortnite real quick. And we're gonna hop into a game. Test out if the mic works well. In my settings on the side, I'm showing that I have voice chat everybody, volume at 100, open mic, and voice indicator. So let's see. All right, where are you trying to land at? Yo, what's good? Where you trying to land at? All right, bet. All right, so what I'm going to do now, after I start doing this, is I'm going to try to use the dongle with my Quest. And you'll hear some noise in the background, and that's my my casting. All right, cool. All right. I am muted right now. No Bluetooth is connected. Let me see. System, see what devices look like. Nope. All right, so we shouldn't be connected to anything. All right, let's see. Which side is this connected to? So I'm gonna connect it to side piece here. Okay. I believe I have, yep, noise through the headset now. But I don't think I get audio through it. Let's see. Test. I can hear myself in my headphones, but I'm not sure if it's coming through the Quest. I guess we should test this, huh? Let's go population. All right. So it looks like it's only audio. So if I hit microphone and I hit my microphone on, it doesn't seem like it's showing that I have any audio going. So when you connect it to the Oculus headset, it really is just audio. There's nothing, no mic enabled or anything like that. So we'll quit here. And it doesn't even show that I'm connected, like headphone wise, does it? I have to try the Bluetooth connection and see if it does any difference. But didn't even show that it came off of there.
All right, now I'm going to connect the dongle to my Xbox One. Ideally, this shouldn't work. We'll see if we can get it to go. Which doesn't look like it's doing anything. Audio output. Yeah, it doesn't seem like it's there. So from that retrospect, I don't think it will work as it's been stated.
Now that we got through the dongle stuff, I would love to go into the Bluetooth, but here lately, it has not been working well for me. Could just be my device, who knows, but I had it connected to my phone for a while, and then for whatever reason, it's now disconnected. But when it works, it works.
What you're hearing right now is directly from the Arctis 3 wired headphones. Does it sound any different? So what you're hearing right now is directly from the Arctis Nova 7 wireless. What do you guys think?
So the Arctis 7 actually comes in 3 different variations. Mine, which is the wireless, then you have the 7X, which is Xbox, and then you have the 7P, which is PlayStation. Arguably, the Xbox One is going to be the better out of all 3 of them, considering it will connect to all consoles across the board, while PlayStation kind of sticks with the PlayStation, and then, the wireless works. This one works with the PlayStation as well. The only thing I can't make it work with is the Xbox. And that's a wrap. Do you think these headphones are worth the buy? Do you have any features that you wish were on this headset? Leave your questions and comments down below. If you like this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And if you didn't, you know what to do. But if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can tune in to future videos. And as always, thank you for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
We getting crazy in a different role. She loves the fact that I just let her know. We getting crazy in a different role. We getting crazy in a different role. Crazy